DS diving here at Island Song on October 19th. Gonna go do a quick after clean video. There is one trim tab zinc loose that I'm going to tighten up. And I'm also going to check and see if we have a between 1 and 1/4 inch zinc for the behind the prop. Gonna take a quick look at the surface line. It was pretty gross. As you can see, we have a good bit of chipping going down the whole entire boat. But we'll go ahead and go under, take a look at the prop, and the cleaning. Diving, thank you very much.